Hi, everyone. I'm Jackie Garcia. I'm one of the attorneys here at Lincoln-Goldfinch Law. If you have ever had a loved one, a neighbor, a family friend who has been detained by immigration, you know exactly how difficult it can be. We are here to help. I think there are three big takeaways when one of your loved ones has been detained by ICE. The first thing that you can do is go to the ICE Detainee Locator website, and you can find it just by Googling ICE Detainee Locator. You'll need the person's A number and their full name, so it can be a little bit tricky if you don't know their A number. If they've never had any immigration status in the US before, they might not have that number. In that case, that's okay. You can locate them on the website with their full name, date of birth, and country of origin. If you don't have all that information, you're going to have to look at the local field office. You can contact your local field office with the information that you do have, possible place of where they may have been arrested and transferred, their name, date of birth, and where they were born, and they should be able to help you find the person. The other thing that's really important for everyone to know is that they should not, after they are detained, they should not sign anything without an attorney reviewing it. Sometimes the deportation officers will try to convince the person to sign a voluntary departure agreement, and they don't fully understand what all the possible legal consequences are of that. So we should always have an attorney um, review all of that. The last thing I will say before we go is that we want to try to avoid getting detained at all costs. It could be from anything from a civil infraction, a driving infraction, all the way up to aggravated felonies. It could also be during a workplace raid where ICE gets a tip that there are a lot of undocumented workers at X location, and they may round everyone up and detain everyone all at once. The important thing to do is to stay silent, ask to speak to your attorney, do not concede that you are undocumented or any criminal history that you might have. Call your attorney right away, and if ICE comes to your door, do not answer, do not let them in. You do not have to cooperate with them unless they have an order signed by a judge. So be very careful, know your rights, follow us to get more know your rights information. And again, if you have any questions, please call us. Thank you all and have a great day.